Okay, the first problem I have is 154 plus 162. So what I'm first going to do is put out 154. So I have 100s, and then I have 50, so that'd be 5 10s. And then I have 4 1s, so I need to put 4 of the singles in the 1 spot. Okay, now I have to add 162. So if you break it up, there's only 100, so you need 1 100, so now I have 200 right here. Then I need to add 60, so I'm just going to do a group of 5 again. Alright, so there's 60, and then 2. Now I have 154 and 162. So I look on the one side and I see if it adds up to a tens. 4 plus 2 adds to 6, so I can't group those. But I see right here that I have 50 and 50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away these 5s. When I put all these together, I have 10 tens, and that equals 100. So I can add a 100 to the 100 spot. So what I have left over is 6 1s, 1 10s, and 3 100s. So right now I have 316. So that's the first problem. Alright, the second problem is 274 plus 247. So first going to do is the 200. And 74. Alright, so there's 200. Oh my goodness, what just happened? Okay. There's my 200s. Now I need 7 10s to make 70. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. And here's 7. And now I need 4 1s. Alright, so now I have 274. And now I need to add Now I need to add 247. So I need 2 100s. And then I'm going to need 4 10s to make 40. And I need 7 1s. Alright. Okay, so now I have 274 and 247. So now I'm going to look in the ones and see if I can group. I have 4 and I have 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So I could group right there. So I could, if I add one right here, and then I bring this one up, that's 10. So I'm just... So then I can take those away and add a 10 to here, and what I have left over is this 1. And I'm going to go to the 10s and see if I could group any here. And I can. So I'm going to put 10 together. And then I'm going to add 100s to this, because 10 10s make 1 100. So now I have 2 10s left over, and I have 1 1s left over. So right now I have 5 100s, 2 10s, and 1 1. That equals 521. My next question that I have is 534 minus 275. So I'm going to add 5 100s on here. So I'm at 4. No, I need 3 10s to make 530. And then I need 4 1s. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do, and then, so I have 534 minus 275. Alright. So I need to take away 275. But I can't take 70 out of the 10s or 5 out of the 1s. But I can take 2 100s out. So what I would need to do is break down a 100 and put 10 10s. Okay, so now I have 13 10s. And now what I could do is take away a 10, and I need to add it to the 1s. Eight, 9, 10. So now I'm able to take 275 away. So I could take 5 away from the 1s, I can take 7 away from the tens. And then I can take 200 away from the hundreds. So now what I'm left over with is 259. So 259. Oh no. Another question that I have is the last question I have is the one I made up. So 123 123 plus 321. So now I need 2 tens and 1 1. So I don't really have to group anything, I can just count. So I have 4 100s, 4 10s, and 4 1s. So I have 441.